5 ways to make sure they never forget you. 1. Confidence is the new black. There is nothing sexier than someone who owns their own skin. Embrace your unique qualities and radiate self-assurance. This doesn't require arrogance, but a comfort in who you are. 2. Spark curiosity. A little mystery goes a long way. Leave them wanting more by not revealing everything at once. Playful banter, suggestive touches, or a knowing glance can be more alluring than laying all your cards on the table. Unleash your playful side. Flirting is an art form. Tease them playfully. Use witty double entendres. Or surprise them with a touch that sends shivers down their spine. Keep it light and fun, but with a hint of underlying desire. 4. Let your body language do the talking. Maintain eye contact, smile with a hint of mischief, and let your body language convey your interest. Lean in when they speak, gently brush your hand against theirs, or playfully mirror their movements. 5. Leave a memorable touch. This doesn't have to be physical. Maybe it's a personalized playlist with a sensual song, a lingering scent of your cologne perfume, or a handwritten note with a suggestive poem. It's the small details that spark a memory and makes them think of you. Remember, true sexiness comes from confidence, connection, and a bit of playful mystery. Focus on creating a vibe that they'll enjoy, and the lasting impression will follow.